Hi guys, what's going on? This is Ashkaf here from ahmadashkaf.com. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review Venkatesh Kumar's Leadle. Leadle is a send unlimited email that you can send unlimited email to subscribers and build your email list with one click in 60 seconds. That's what the vendor saying. Okay, so to get this product, what you have to do is in this YouTube description, you have to click the first link. If you click that first link, you will come to my bonus page, which looks something like this. And if you scroll down, if you click here in this the green color, light green color bar, it will take you to the sales page. In the sales page, if you scroll down, wait a minute, and if you click here, you can get the product for the one-time price. I'm going to tell you in a while. Okay, with this Leadle, I'm going to throw some insane, mind-blowing, completely free bonuses. Okay, so those bonuses also very useful to you all. Now we'll first of all we'll go and see the bonuses, then we'll come back to the prices and upsells and see more about this Leadle. Okay, good. Now my first bonus I'm going to give you through this Leadle list again how to build your list fast. Okay, this tutorial will show you how to build your email list fast, because email list is another lucrative business in the online. So if you have a good list, you can do a very good job and earn money. So this tutorial will show you how, though this Leadle also showing how to build email list within one click in 6 seconds. Along with that, my first bonus tutorial also, it will show you how to build a email list. My second bonus tutorial is that is how to build bonus pages. Now this bonus pages also I prepared with this tool that is called Commission Gorilla. This is a paid tool, of course. You need that paid tool to prepare these bonus pages. Then only it is very easy to host. Otherwise, if you prepare bonus pages through canva.com and you can't host that. To host, you need another hosting service. So this paid tutorial, the bonus paid tutorial that is Commission Gorilla, will do for both. It will build and it will host. Okay, so that you have to pay one time. And my third bonus is how to explode your YouTube channel. Now you may have a YouTube channel. YouTube is another free traffic. Okay, there's a free traffic every time. Millions of people, they come and explore in the YouTube. And if you have a YouTube channel, you can generate income. And if you just create a YouTube channel, it's not going to export in the top of the search engine in this YouTube. So you have to explode that. So this tutorial will show you how to explode your YouTube channel and bring to the top level in the YouTube algorithm or in the YouTube search time. Okay guys, so that is my fourth bonus is how to make $2,000 in 20 minutes using Facebook. Facebook also another free traffic system. People come and pay every time. People come, different types of folks come to the Facebook every day. So if you can target those cold traffic to your offers, you can make easily money. This 2000 is just for the sake of this word I have put. You can make it more, you can make less. That is not guaranteed. But anyway, this tutorial will show you how to make money using Facebook within 20 minutes. Okay guys, so that is my the fourth bonus. The fifth bonus is the vendor bonuses. All the vendor bonuses are in the members area. This is the members area. These are the vendor bonuses vendor is giving. Okay, that's Infinity Webinar, the world's most powerful all-based webinar software that creates unlimited EFI webinar for huge profit at an unbeatable one-time price with 0 monthly fees. Okay guys, and the second vendor bonus is Insta Profit app. One-click cloud-based little app drives autopilot traffic for you in as little as 48 seconds. Okay, and third vendor bonus is Affiliate Ease. The Affiliate Ease is the world's first automated affiliate review site that builds and earn a commission for you completely autopilot in 60 seconds. Wow. And the fourth vendor bonus is case study. This seller has only been on Flipkart for 10 months and he has done over $70,000 in business. So this is the case that you're going to get, how he make that $70,000 in 10 months. Okay, and the fifth vendor bonus is the internet marketing methods case study, how the person who created Venkatesh made 3-figure income per week without having an email list or paid traffic. You don't even need a list in order for this to work, and you won't have to create a product. Okay guys, so those are, and the sixth and the bonus is FB group. You will get free access to customer only Facebook group where I and my team will I means the person who created Venkatesh and his team will answer all your questions. Those are the 6 bonuses you are going to get, guys. Okay, I'm coming back to my bonus page. Now we'll see and go and see more about this Leadler, and then we'll go to the prices. Now Leadler, okay, they're talking world's first smart lead generation platform that allows one-click opt-in for opt-in of verified leads. Also get free autoresponder with SMTP. Okay guys, the front end they are saying that $17 and the downside is the $12. Okay, and the first one-time offer is a Leadler Pro, that is $32, and the Leadler DFI template is $57. Okay, now we'll go and see it. With the front end, what you're going to get is access the powerful Leadler software and the training modules. Okay, and highly I recommend, if you are interested in this and if you want to give a try, you can go with the first upsell, that is create unlimited campaigns and generate unlimited leads without any restrictions. Okay, the other upsells, now you can see the second upsells, more done for you templates, done for you swipes, and done for you campaigns. And the third upsell is in this you will have the ability to start a brand new business by providing lead generation service to clients. And the fourth is everything done for you. And the fifth one is grab 500 of our best selling products. And this upsell 6 is $1 million sold product for free without commercial license. And the upsell 7 is get profit by selling Leadler to your clients. Okay, that is free seller license you are going to get for $87, guys. So these upsells are not necessary at the moment. Once you started to generate income, you can go and upgrade for that. But I highly recommend to go with the front end and the first upsell, guys. Okay, so that's more than enough to generate your income. Okay, now you can give a try. You're going to, because if you are, this is your, because if you want to do a email campaign, you have to buy solo ads, you have to buy funnel builders, and you have to buy autoresponders. All those are avoided by here. You have to pay only just $49. So $49 you're not going to lose anything giving a try. Okay guys, and then otherwise if you want to do the email marketing, you want to buy autoresponder, that is $15 a month, and you need a ClickFunnels, that is $97 a month. Okay, and you want you have to build funnels and so those things you have to very expensive, and you have to buy solo ads to do email marketing. So that is very, very expensive. But here you're just going to spend only $49, and you're going to get this front end, the access the powerful Leadler software and training modules, as well as the create unlimited campaigns, guys. So you give a try. In this email, the online marketing, without spending you cannot make money, and sometimes you may lose. You may lose. Who don't know? Who don't know? And that's not a guarantee. So, but anyway, if you're losing, you're going to lose only $49. But if you're going to gain, you're going to get a very good fortune with this Leadler, guys. Okay, so those are the upsells. Now here are some key benefits. Collect Leadler from any visitors in one click. Build your list fast without any tedious coding skills or technical skills. Send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers using our free autoresponder smart technology, which add only the genuine verified leads to your list. You can start generating leads and traffic from any platform. Collect more leads, grow quality lists to subscribers using this advanced platform. Get high engaged leads, unlimited profits are there, and you have 30 days money back guarantee as well. Okay guys, so to get this, what you have to do, so you again, I'm reminding, in this YouTube description there's a link. The first link, if you click that, you will come to my bonus page, and in this bonus page, in 3 different intervals, you have this bar, this link bars. It will link to the sales page, and the sales page, if you click here, you are going to get this product for how much? $12, guys. Okay, I'm back in this sales page, they again saying stop wasting hundreds of dollars every month on old school autorespond. Finally crack brand new on Aweber killer lets you send unlimited emails to unlimited subscriber for a low one-time fee. That's true, yes. No monthly fee, no recurring, no restriction, unlimited emails. That's also true because in autoresponder, if you're getting response, there is a limit. If you have 1,000 subscribers, one price. If you have more than 1,000 subscribers, then the price differs. So here they are telling there's no restriction. Okay guys, so you have to give a try. And no skills or experience required. Yes, build your list fast. Now this we'll see the welcome video what they are going to talk about. Okay, I'll play that for you.
Email marketing is the best way to land huge profits again and again. Did you know that on average people check their email 15 times a day? And that there are 4 billion email users every single day. Email marketing is gigantic, and it's set to keep growing, with the email marketing industry set to be worth over $22 billion by 2024. $22 billion! So with so much money to make and so many people to email, the time to become an email marketing master is now. But what if you don't have the knowledge or experience to succeed at email? What if you don't have a list of high-converting, top-quality emails? Don't worry, Leadler has you covered. Leadler is the ultimate tool in email marketing, letting you send unlimited emails as many times as you like, helping you instantly send thousands of emails straight to your subscribers' inbox. And if you don't have the leads, Leadler even helps you build top-quality lists with just one click. So with Leadler, you're only ever one click away from your next sale. Leadler lets subscribers opt in instantly with just one click. And because we use their social media email, you're guaranteed to reach their inbox every time. You can send unlimited emails, SMS texts, and social media messages. And Leadler makes sure that you always stay CAN-SPAM and GDPR compliant. So you don't need to worry about hefty fines or warnings. With instant opt-in and easy-to-use drag-and-drop design, and a wide range of stunning templates, Leadler has everything you need to become an email marketing master. Work from anywhere in the world using your mobile device or laptop and grab your share of the $22 billion fortune. Claim your instant access now and get started today. Leadler helps you build high-converting, top-quality email lists to let you email your lists unlimited times with just one click. With Leadler, you're covered with a 365-day money-back guarantee. So your route to email marketing mastery is completely risk-free. And for a limited time, we're offering you an incredibly low one-time fee that gives you lifetime access to Leadler. So you can send email after email and build highly profitable list after highly profitable list as your fortune grows and grows. And that's not all. When you reward yourself with the power of Leadler, we'll also offer you an incredible, comprehensive sales bundle with an amazing 60% off. You see, by trusting in Leadler to build your fortune, you're clearly a go-getter, an innovator, and someone who wants to be ahead of the crowd. And we want to help you get further ahead. That's why you can also take advantage of this fantastic one-time offer for our comprehensive sales bundle edition for just $247 for a limited time. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your lifetime access to Leadler while you still can, and start claiming your share of the $22 billion fortune today.
Okay guys, you heard what they're saying about Leadler. Okay, now you can go down. They are talking here. If you go further down in this sales with 3 steps to email marketing heaven. That is, first step is login with ease. Login to your beautiful cloud-based platform. Nothing to set up. or configure, simply log in and you're ready. And the second step is they're talking upload your email list, or if you don't have one, use Leadler one. Click to one-click opt-in in package to instantly start getting top quality leads. Wow. And the third one step is start sending emails and start making money. Okay, those are the 3 steps they're talking about, guys. Now, if you go further down, I will leave. These are the 3 people from the people who are behind this, the Venkatesh and I forgot their names. One person is Venkatesh. I will and if you go further down in there, you can find their name. Okay, so I will leave this leaderboard. Sorry, I will leave this lead sales page to you all, guys. You all can go and read that. Now I'll come to the members area. Here, this is the members area. In this left side, they have separated everything in a different categories for the easy use. Okay, some here you have the integration, campaigns, links or leads and unlimited mails, training, bonuses and support. All the in different topics they have done everything. And I'll try to make a campaign, but unfortunately some part of this review access is not working for me, so I couldn't make a first campaign and see how it is working. So once you purchase this, I think, because I am under review access, so once you purchase this, you will be able to have all the functions active. Okay, sometimes they might have restricted to the view for the review access purpose. Okay, so I think I am sure that if you buy, you will not have those problems. Okay, anyway, you have a support, then you can get the support also, guys. Okay, now I'm going to take you to the demo video. In this demo video, this is the demo video of Leadler, and here they have played. This is also, I am not much satisfied with this demo video, but anyway, I'll play that for you. Here you have to log in. Okay, and you have to, and here
get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. Storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay guys, you watch this the demo video, but I am not much satisfied with this demo video. They have, I don't know what you have understood, but I didn't understand. I understood a little bit. Okay, so I think once you buy this, the support team will be there to help you all. Okay, and I'm coming back to my bonus page. Once you buy this, I will show you now how to get the bonuses. This Leadly is launched by Warrior Plus. After buying this, to get the bonuses, what you have to do is in the YouTube Warrior Plus, in the account section, if you put your mouse, hover your mouse in the account section, the Warrior Plus, a menu will pop down. In that menu you have purchase history. If you click that purchase history, you will come to this voucher, and in this voucher, if you click this blue color bar, you will get the bonuses to your computer, guys. Okay, so okay, that's all I have to talk about this Leadly today. And if you have any questions regarding this review, or if you want any more clarifications, you can leave a comment in this comment section. I will get back to you, because as I told you, I'm not satisfied with the demo video. I don't know what you would have understood, that I got a little bit of it, and I think once you buy this, those people will enable all the facilities in the members area where they will unlock. I think they might have restricted some activities to the review purpose, because I'm under review access. So once you buy that, I think you will not have those problems in the members area, guys. So again, I'm reminding, the launch is on 2nd November 9 and 11 a.m. Eastern Standard. The launch will be there till 8th November midnight Eastern Standard Time. That during that period you're going to get this product for $12, and I highly recommend to go to the first upsell, that you will spend only $49, and you can give a try. If you're not satisfied, you can ask the money, you ask your money back, because and other email marketing, for the email marketing, other tools, as I told you before, that autoresponder, ClickFunnels, and solo ads, you have to spend a lot. Okay, so here you are going to spend only $49 and going to get a good system, I hope. Okay, so what you can give a try. If it's not working, you can ask your money back, because they are telling that money back guarantee is given. Okay, guys, so that's all I have to talk about this Leadly. And if you're new to my channel, please think to consider to subscribe, because I used to review how to make money online, cloud-based digital products and tutorials, and help people to make money online. And so all those will be, you can get from my channel. So if you subscribe and click the bell icon, all those will be notified. And before leaving this video, I kindly request to give a thumbs up to my video, that will make a very good impact in this YouTube algorithm, guys. So that's all I have to talk about this Leadly. Okay, so see you. Thank you. Bye bye.